Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Insider. In today's video, we are going to talk about there is a PhD admission opportunity from University Baba Ghulam Shah Badshah University. It's in Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. So it was established by government of Jammu and Kashmir, recognized by UGC under section this. Okay, so this is the website that I have opened in my laptop here. So you can see the homepage of this BGSB University Rajouri. So as you can see in the front page, there is notifications, this admission for the 2024, prospectus of 2024, results are also there. So the pictures of Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and about the university, everything is being written here. So we will be focusing on the admissions into this basically for the PhD. Okay, so a lot of subjects they are offering. The notification is also there, so we will have to click this and we will get into this particular website also. So you can see in the admission section 2024 there are various programs there that they are offering. So for postgraduate programs which will be having through CUET 2024, when notifications is also there. Last date was June 15, now okay, a day before yesterday. Okay, and the university admission for the BTech, diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate, integrated, and doctoral programs. So we have focus for the doctoral programs. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, also they are offering for the BSc nursing and kind of categories. The admission DBT supported MSc is also there. So let's see for the doctoral programs with the notification. Okay, so the last date for this examination is for the filling of the form is the 30th June. Okay, so plenty of time is there, but do not get late for this. So PG programs they are offering BTech and a lot of things. So in the PhD programs, what subjects they are offering? Let's see the Arabic, botany, biotechnology, civil engineering, computer applications, the science and education, English, mathematics, physics, Urdu, zoology. So most of as we always focus on the life science as we our basic motto is for the life science as well. So all the subjects major subjects of life science is there. So you are ready to go. Okay, so now the last date for the submission of online is the June 30. Okay, the detail regarding the eligibility criteria, mode of selection, fee, download the admission browser. Okay, so in the admission process there is nothing, basically they are recruiting the students. Okay, they are giving the admission to the students based on the JRF. If they have the any kind of national level examination like CSIR, ICMR, but if you have the fellowship of yourself, so you are ready to go into this university. So online admission can be filled this by I will be sharing the every link into the description, so you do not have to rush for that. And finally basically they are asking 1000 rupees for the candidates interested in applying for more than one program need to fill the separate admission form along with the application. So for the one form they are asking 1000 rupees, and candidate who want to fill, let's say if one wants to fill form for the zoology and also for the botany, so they'll have to application fee for the each programs they'll have to pay. So the final year semester exam students who qualifying examination result is not declared also eligible to apply. However, they are required to submit the final mark sheet before. And yeah, so basic requirement is having any national level examination. However, if you are in the final semester, you will be eligible to get into fill the form and get appear in. So the admission to the PhD programs 2024 shall be made strictly accordance to the latest guideline. Even if you are the 4-year degree holder, you are eligible as per the latest UGC norms. Okay, for any further query information, the candidate may contact this number or write as this admission at bgsbu.ac.in. So they have given every needed information, and you can check the prospectus also. We'll see, and let's see how can you apply. Okay, so in the third thing there is a link for click to apply. Then you get into this. So this basic portal will open. So a lot of notification is being showing here. So this about the university. They have given vision of the university. So the new candidate registration process they also have given. So there are steps that you have to follow: new registration, filling the forms and everything, and pay the form, and for the which program you are applying, everything. So here you can say this new registration or login. If you already have registered, so you're good to go. You just log in and check if it is everything is wrong. And the new registration, you can click this new registration form. Okay, you will have to click your name, like you will to type your name, date of birth, applicant's email, enter application. So you will register here. Okay, and after the registration, after verifying your mobile phone and the email, then you have to log out and then log in, then you can fill the form. Okay, so any applicants encouraged to Google Chrome web browser, because they work very well in this Chrome browser. So this was the video, and let's see if we can check the prospectus also. Okay, so what are the prospectus? Yeah, so this prospectus 2024, the link is not working, I think. Okay, okay, so notification, let's see if they are offering in the admissions or something like that. Okay. Hmm. So okay, just wait for a while. Okay, I'll give you the link for this prospectus. So basically, there is nothing to know about. It is just you have the JRF, you're good to go. Okay, so because they are not taking the examination. If they will be taking the examinations, they have mentioned it. So then the non-net people can apply there. So if you are having the fellowship, you are good to go to apply. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video. And if you don't want to miss any kind of these videos or information regarding the opportunities of project, opportunities for getting admission into the PhD, or any kind of internship and the jobs related to the life science, yeah. So consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.